Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Con controllers into pairing mode. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the Nintendo Switch 2 and you want to go ahead and put your Joy-Con 2 sticks into pairing mode. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is that let's actually go ahead and navigate to where it says controllers. And then from this option here, we're actually going to click on change grip/order. Now from this option here, in order to put your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Con controllers into pairing mode, all you've got to do is click on this dot right over here until the light starts to flash green. So it's going to start flashing green just like that. It's now in pairing mode and it's been connected. Likewise with this one here, it's already connected. But same thing, any Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Con controller is going to have this little dot. Just press and hold it, and then it'll enter pairing mode. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and do this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.